What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be going over how can you improve trading Nas100. Alright, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make this quick video before I head to the gym. Alright, it was just on my mental. Alright, because a lot of people want to trade Nas100, US30, SPX. Why? Because it's fast, it's a lot of money in it. Alright, you can pass challenges, alright, funded challenges quick, all of that good stuff. But you can't do none of that if you don't know how to trade it, because you can get cooked up really quick as well. Alright, and a lot of people just don't understand how Nas100 move. So what I want to do is make this video to help you guys, alright, what I use and how I look at Nas100 and how I actually trade it. Because if you follow me on Instagram, alright, or if you was in my recent signal group, you knew like we traded Nas100 every single day, 9:30, non-stop, alright. But I took a break from Nas100, now I'm back, alright. I want to show you what I see. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you guys some really important information that I also use before taking a trade in the morning. Alright, so what I look for with Nas100 is where is it on the chart. Alright guys, it's very important that you keep up with these numbers over here. A lot of people don't even look at these numbers. Alright, let me close this. Once again, everything on this chart is a piece of information. Okay, it's a piece of information. The candles are information. Wicks most definitely are information. The numbers over here are information. Now, why are these numbers over here information? Because what you got to do is learn that indices do not move in pips, they move in points. So once you're able to calculate where price is, where you think it's going, where you're going to put your stop loss, you can actually trade this like a regular pair. All right, because a lot of people like, oh man, the pips are different. It don't really move by pips, it's points, you know what I'm saying? And the lot sizes and all that. You can use a 0.01, which in indices is really $1 per point, alright? $1 per point, and make a lot of money, alright, if you catching this the right way. Let's go look at a higher time frame, alright? Let me go to this 4-hour time frame. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is a natural buying indice. Alright, so what do that mean? What you should be focusing on is catching these pullbacks, alright, in the market and holding them kind of like crypto. Alright, dead ass, kind of like crypto. Buy off the dip. Alright, that's my mentality off of indices, because these are the top stocks. Why would they be down unless, like I say, we just got some news? The only time I really see Nas100, US30, and all them stuff just tank is like president election week, all right, or when we had like COVID news, like a whole bunch of negative news or news that the market don't know how it's going to react and it's going to drop, all right. And also these pullbacks, all right, as you see, these pullbacks happen in the market because they have to be able to get buyers out of the market. But as you can see, it don't be a long sale. Alright, it never is a long sale with these indices. So what you got to be on the lookout for, once again, is the liquidity graphs, because you can be in a super duper good entry. Alright, you can be in a super duper good entry and Nas will come all the way back down and get you out. Alright, you know what I'm saying? So it's more of taking your bread or letting it run long term, alright? Even through the fake outs and the liquidities, you gotta be very, very strong. So this is the higher time frame, and like I always like to preach, guys, you can't see what's going on in these candles because everything is packed into one candle. Lately, I've been trading the daily, alright? I've been trading the daily time frame, and as you see on the daily, this is just even more of an uptrend, and you can see the pullback's perfect. Pullback, buy, pullback, buy, pullback, buy. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, once you understand this, you really wouldn't sell Nas like that unless it's like some news that came out. You get what I'm saying? And it just dropped tremendously. Like last week, we had some news I forgot what news it was, and Nas100 dropped like crazy, but it came right back up like the next day. You get what I'm saying? So let's go look at it. This was last week, right here. You see how it dropped? All right, it dropped all the way down to this level right here, which I have it marked up. All right, and what it do? It bought. All right, now we're back in a current uptrend. All right, a current uptrend, but the thing is, all right, move this back over here. But the thing is, we still, all right, have to come clear this area if it's going to continue to buy. All right, because this is a major resistance. All right, at this point, all right, this area right here is like a resistance. So we can put it like this, or you can do it like this. So you can keep in mind of the important area. When it drop, it's totally up to you. All right, everything is just support and resistance. Trend lines is support and resistance. You get what I'm saying? Indicators have support and resistance, and everything is really just support and resistance. Major key areas. You just gotta keep note of what's going on. All right, so like right now, you see how I got this trend line because I'm trying to see if this gonna continue to move up, even though we getting these little drops. Little drops once again on the higher time frame. These are entry points. All right, as you see, these never came back down here at all. This little drop right here didn't even come grab this one. We're gonna see what this drop right here do. Maybe it'll come down, but don't even come close to this. All right, or just come test this trend line. But once again, guys, Nas is a natural buying indice. So when you see these drops forming, all right, me personally, I don't really take them. I just wait till they over with. I know it's a lot of money in them. That just be the setup, all right, for the next entry for the buy, in my opinion. All right, once again, this is my opinion, and this is how I trade Nas100. So if I do sell Nas100, it's gonna be like a quick sell, in and out, in and out. You know what I'm saying? It's not really gonna be like no hold type deal, because what it's gonna do is come right back up. All right, it's already halfway back up to this area that it sold from last week. All right, so that's one of the things you gotta be careful on is liquidity grabs. Okay, the market liquidity grabs, because Nas100 like to do that. All right, very, very often, because here was a good entry for the buy. All right, could have got out here, but if you did it, it came all the way back down. All right, just to test the buyers, because most people got out because they not finna lose half of their profit. All right, most people got out. People's stop loss and profit got hit. All type of stuff happen when they do this stuff, and guess what? That gives them more money. They're the banks. We don't make the banks move. So when they're collecting, all right, when they come in and collect, that gives them more money to put back in the market, right? So guess what? Now they shoot it back up. All right, and now it's getting back into the trend, because why? They done grabbed some of the people that was already in the market already. All right, now when it comes to news, you just gotta be very, very careful. All right, because you can get a super big bearish candle. All right, that looks like it's about to sell. It can be a lot of money in that candle, like right here. There's a lot of money in this little drop. All right, but it's only a pullback. You get what I'm saying? So it just depends on how you like to trade. If you're a scalper, intraday, day trader, swing trader, it's all up to you. All right, you can do the one candlestick. It's just so much money in Nas100. But in order to get better in it, you have to practice. All right, you gotta be in here day in, day out. Come to the market, see what's going on, see how it moves. Don't depend on signals. All right, even though I send out signals and even though I know how to trade, stop loss is still going to get hit because it's just so volatile. You know what I'm saying? It's just so up and down. And me, I don't set stop losses. The person that took the signal might actually set a stop loss and end up losing money for no reason. Because like right here, if you put a stop loss, right, Nas100 come all the way down, tap that stop loss, and then come right back up. And you knew it was going to buy, but since you actually put the numbers in, all right, it's going to take you out the trade. But if you use a mental stop loss and just watch, you be like, oh, okay, well, it just wicked off. Now you still in the trade. You in drawdown, but now you still in the trade, and now you in profit. But if you set that stop loss, it's over with. I told you guys I was going to give you something very important that I use before I actually take a trade in the morning. If you in my recent group and you know about this website, if not, it's the time for you to just go ahead. It's time for you to go get it and test it out. I gave you guys some sauce on my other video, alright, on the currency pairs. Now, this is for indices. Now, you can go to Google and you can type in NASDAQ, alright, NASDAQ Day Q. What it's going to do is pop up like this. This is the news website that I like to use for Nas100, US 30, gold, everything, alright. So, as you see here, it's telling you Nas is buying, alright, what's going on, and it tells you when the market open and when the market closed, and this is based off of New York session, alright. Nas100 really start to move around 9:30 because that's when the banks open and that's when you get the pushes, alright, and then it slows down, alright, as the day goes and goes. But this is what I come to, alright. I will put a website in the description box. Y'all go check it out. This right here, alright, lets you know what's going on with Nas100. Alright, it's letting you know how much it's up. Alright, 18%, 11%. If both of these are green, 9 times out of 10 is going to buy. Now, you also got the other indices down here. You got US 30 and XPX. If all three of them are green, then guys, the market is looking bullish. Now, if all of these are red, alright, this is red, guys, it's going to sell. This is why I come to, alright, for a edge before I even hop in the market. On the update, and it's going to tell you what's going on. Also, you can come and look at the news, alright, and get another edge, like the headlines, everything. Look, the headlines for Nas100, alright. You can click Nas100, got news headlines, and you know what I'm saying, it just go into detail about a whole bunch of stuff that you can read, alright? But you don't have to just be on here studying for a test and then like that. You can just go in here and see what people are talking about, what the banks are talking about, and what's going on, and how you can get an edge, like I say, before even taking a trade, alright? So, once again, you can use it for like US 30 as well, XPX, but I like it for Nas100, alright? I like it for Nas100. But if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell. If you want more information to my indicator, don't forget to DM me. My information will be down below. Other than that,